Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. We've got some big news here for you. If you like GRRR Technology Group, GRRR, well, got some very exciting news to share with all of you. Yesterday, we started to look at GRRR Technology for the very first time. It was actually requested by one of our members. If you follow our show, you will know that we have the highest engagement rate of any channel in the world when it comes to live viewers that are members. More than Mr. Beast, more than anyone. In fact, the big channels like that have 8 to 9% live viewers on regular shows. Our members, we have 98%. And because of that, one of our members said, would you cover GRRR Technology? So we covered GRRR Technology, and we got a lot of interest on this stock, so much so it got heard in the highest of places. Yes, the actual analysis review was watched by Jayesh, who is the CEO of GRRR Technology. Very, very exciting. And I was contacted this morning by their representatives and asked if Jayesh could be on the show, could speak to me, because apparently some of the information that I provided wasn't completely accurate. And now I'd like to explain this because we do go to many pools for information. However, most pools of information do share the same information, but it's all about the time they get it, and things update and things change. But we do have access to the best information. However, sometimes it can be a little bit out of date, perhaps. And a few people that are investing in the stock came back to me and said a couple of those figures aren't exactly correct. Jayesh was impressed by our broadcast, our studio, our setup, and what we're all about. So his team contacted me this morning and asked if they could be on the show and do an interview with me. So this is very good news. For those of you that have watched the show before, know that we have a Meet the CEO series. We have plans to interview Elon Musk. We have plans to interview Sir Richard Branson. We've had the CEO of Ascent Solar on the show. We've had live link-ups with the New York Stock Exchange. We've had Mobix the other day, and in fact, I was able to take part in the call itself. Remember, it's very important. The purpose of this channel is to provide the best quality service. I'm only in the S&P 500. I'm not here to pump and dump stock. I'm not here to promote stock. But what I am here to do is bring the best information of the best companies to you for education, entertainment, so you can make informed decisions and you can know about the best companies. And that's all I want out of it. I'm just here to help people, okay? I only own the S&P. This is my position. You all know that I'm 100% in the S&P. Let me show you my position here. There's my position at the S&P, 99.86%. I started with $5,000, as you all remember. I've now got $250,000 invested. There's my actual cash value. There's my margin. There's all my positions. I share everything openly and honestly. I'm not here to pump and dump my own bags. However, on the news that the CEO is coming on my show, the stock is massively up today. In fact, up 10% and rising. This is great because yesterday the stock dipped on my report. There was the moment it dipped. That moment you see there is pre-market when the video exploded this morning. It went semi-viral this morning. I'll share with you exactly what happened. Again, we share everything with you. So look at this. This is the GRRR video. We have never done a GRRR video before. So it's not as if we rank for it. We do now, of course. We rank #1 straight away because we often do for our stocks. But there's GRRR. And there you can see 15,000, 16,000. All of a sudden this morning, this was the moment it got picked up by the CEO. This is when it got picked up by the marketing agency, when you picked it up on Stock Twits and all the different places that you share on and so on. This is the moment it exploded, like 13, 14,000 views in seconds. And this is when we were reached by the company to have the CEO on the show. This is very, very good news because, as I say, we want to bring the best information live to you. So what we're going to do is I've just come off the phone a few moments ago with the agency that handles the marketing and media for GRRR. I'm just typing this in as I do this for you now, and they want to get Jayesh on the sorry, I beg your pardon. Say that again. Jayesh on the show. I apologize, so I'm now just letting you know that we're setting up this CEO interview, which can happen. It can happen as soon as today. It may happen tomorrow, but it could happen as soon as today. So we're going to be all over this today because we love to be able to bring you the best information and so on and so forth. All right. So if you want to be able to be on the call with the CEO of GRRR, or you'd like to be able to call in and be live on the show with the CEO of GRRR, I'm now going to show you how you can do that. Okay, so first of all, if you want to leave comments and questions on my X and Instagram statement this morning, we do have a news statement coming, a press release coming shortly as well. Stand by for that. You might prefer to follow me on Blue Sky. Some people who don't like Elon Musk prefer Blue Sky. So there is Blue Sky, X, or Instagram in the chat. All right, I'll just share with you what it looks like. There is my Meet the CEO announcement this morning on Blue Sky. You might like to comment there with questions at things that you'd like to know directly from the CEO, or perhaps you might like to go on to my X account. There is the post this morning. You might want to repost this, let everyone know that the CEO is going to be on the show. Comment here if you'd like to leave questions there, or my Instagram is there as well. You can see it there. So lots of ways that you can get hold of, send me in your comments. Now, if you do like this information, you are interested in GRRR, and you would like to let the world know about GRRR being on the show, you might like to tap the like button. That will share the video out and also tell people that you want to see this again by doing that. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. I'm currently in the middle of a conversation with Sensei as I speak, our technical analyst, who's going to prepare some charts, some technical information as well around the stock. I'm literally texting him on my phone as I'm talking to you now. So that's very, very good. Now, under the video as well, if you want to get this information out, there is the share button. You might want to put this on all your social media and let everyone know that the CEO of GRRR is going to be on our show. So that's what you want to do ahead of time. Now, it will be all CEO events at first go out to members only. They always do, to provide our members the opportunity, the real investors, the opportunity to ask the questions directly with the CEO. So we go live first of all to our members only. We do that so we don't get lots of bots and scammers and trolls. It's only a couple of bucks to be a member. 98% of our live viewers are members. That way we have a great interview, and it's not spoiled by a lot of noise and so on and so forth. So if you'd like to be able to be on the call, and you'd like to phone in and and put your questions to the CEO, you might want to consider becoming a member of our channel. In fact, the agency that called me this morning became a member straight away. They literally jumped on and became a member straight away. There is the link to become a member. Now, if you are on an iOS device, you will need to use, select browser, and then you will need to select desktop version of the browser if you wish to become a member of the channel. If you want to access Discord, and we do provide free training, we do everything here is to benefit you. It's not about making money for me. It isn't. It's about helping people. So there is Discord if you want that. Right, I think I've given you all the things that you need. So I think we are good. Now I'm going to get prepared for our CEO interview. So there you go. I think I provided everything. You've all tapped the like button. You've all considered subscribing. You've all got the links to become members. And now just look out for the event itself. It could be today, if not tomorrow. It's going to be very, very soon. So look out for that. Let me just go back to the comments. Have I got any comments in here? Stephen Lewandowski says, smash the like button. Fantastic. Hi all. Good afternoon, everyone. Don't forget to keep an eye out on GME GameStop. Yes, it's moving today, but we're not interested in gambling. We're interested in buying great businesses. You can make money on GameStop, but we're not promoting that because that is speculative gambling based upon Roaring Kitty. We don't do stuff like that. Wow, really cool, Martyn. Thank you so much indeed. Good morning, Jermaine Roberts. Good morning, Justin K. Good morning, Perello99. Good morning, Kevin Hawthorne. Welcome to all of you who've just popped in this morning. There we go, a Gorilla update. So, what I'm going to do now is give you the links to the event. They won't be there just yet, but they will shortly. So then you can tune in to the actual Gorilla live event yourself. So let me give you the links right now. Click above my head for all the links. Not there yet, but they will be there at the moment because I'm making this during a live event. When I have the link for the event, I will post it up there. Also down below in the description, it'll also be pinned to the comments. And here I shall put the event itself. So once the event goes live, right now it'll be a Gorilla video. It'll be my analysis video, I would say, for now. But once I can get the date for the event confirmed, it'll be here. And down here, I'll put the Gorilla playlist so you can go and check out the Gorilla playlist. Very, very big news for the show. Very, very excited to bring you this. So there we go. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.